I tried Chef Tini's viral mac and cheese and I got hooked. It's now one of my favorites, so I decided to make it for you. It's a must for the holiday season. My pot is set to high heat with 4 quarts of boiling water. I'm gonna add salt and the pasta. I'm using 1 pound of cavatappi pasta. We cook for 11 to 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes, our pasta is ready. I'm gonna drain it and set it to the side. Now I'm gonna grate the cheese. And for this recipe, I'll be using half a pound of chopped cheddar cheese, 1 pound of mozzarella, and 1 pound of Colby Jack cheese. For the spices, I'm gonna mix 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix, and in a pot set to low-medium heat, I'm gonna melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Butter is melted, and I'm gonna add half of the seasoning mix we just made. Mix it in, and then here I have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I add half, mix it in, make sure there are no lumps. Then we add the other half. Now we slowly add 1 can of evaporated milk, mix, and now we can add 2 cups of heavy cream. Once it's all mixed in, we add the rest of the seasoning. And then we add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Once it's all combined, we can add the cheeses. I'm gonna be adding about half of each cheese in 2 parts. So we add some, mix until the cheese melts, and we add the other part. Once the cheese melts, we fold in the pasta. It's ready, and now we transfer some pasta to our baking dish. I mixed all the cheese together, and I'm gonna add a layer. Now we add the rest of the pasta, even it out, and we add the rest of the cheese. It's ready to go in the oven, and we're gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. It's been 15 minutes, now we broil for 2 to 3 minutes to get that nice crispy coat. After 3 minutes, our mac and cheese is now done. We add some parsley flakes, and it's ready to enjoy. Now I'm gonna serve myself, and look at this, guys. It looks so cheesy, stringy, super delicious. I tried this recipe, guys, and now it's one of my favorites. So give it a try and let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. And there you have it, delicious mac and cheese.